So in this video, we're gonna see other techniques to loop through an array. So first, we're gonna start with the for loop. We already saw this one. So let's create an array. To do, it's going to be, for example, homework, comma, food, comma, and we're gonna add also a project. It's going to be a to-do list, learn JavaScript. Then we're going to add the for loop. Let I equals to 0. Then we're gonna add I minus to do that length. So it's going to loop 4 times because the length of the array is 4. Then we're going to add the index. Then we're gonna add console.log. And we're gonna add to do. And we're gonna add the position, which is going to be I. So save this, and you can see we have homework, food, project, and learn JavaScript. So I'm gonna comment these lines. Next, we're gonna take a look at for each. For each is a new way to loop through an array and other features that you will find in the ECMAScript 6. So we're gonna copy this to do. I'm gonna uncomment this. We're gonna use the same array. And the syntax is like this. To do is going to be the name of the array. Then you add for each. Then you open parentheses. And this is going to be a function. Open parentheses again and open the curly braces. So right here is going to be the body of the for each. But you can see, for example, this is a to-do list. You need to pass a singular name. This is recommended. Of course, you can name this whatever you want. But I'm going to call this one assignment. And right here, I'm going to add console.log. And we're going to add $, open the curly braces, and we're going to add this variable assignment that we created right here. So save this. And now you can see that we have the same result. The for each is going to look more cleaner, and we're going to use this in all the projects. Here on the for each, inside the function, if you add a comma right here and you add the index, this is going to help you to print the index. So right here, for example, I'm going to add $, open the braces, and I'm going to add index. Something like this, and now you can see we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and also the items from the array. So this is the for each loop. Next, we also have map. We're gonna add something like this. I'm gonna add something different here. I'm gonna create a new array. So it's going to be const shopping cart. Again, it's going to be equals to an array, but this is going to be an array of objects. ID 1, and we're gonna add a product, which is going to be a book, comma, and I'm gonna make 2 more copies. And I'm gonna remove the last comma right here. I'm gonna add 1, 2, and 3. So this one is going to be, the first product is going to be a book. Second one is going to be a shirt. And the last one is going to be an album. And something like that. So we're gonna add the map, and it's going to be like this. Const product name is going to be equal to the array shopping cart in this case. Then we're going to use a dot map, and we're going to execute a function. And this is going to return the key that we have here that is called product. But first, for example, you can see we have shopping cart, so we need to pass this right here. And also we're going to return the shopping cart dot product. Actually, let's rename this. I'm gonna name this, for example, product name. Product name like this, I think is better. And this one, these names should match. And also, for example, you can see we have a dot product, a dot because this is an object, and we want to access this product property. So everything is going to be added into the product name variable. So we can add something like console.log product name, and this is going to extract the product name for the 3 items in the shopping cart. So save, and you can see we have a book, a shirt, and an album.